Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the wonderful world of urban gardening. With limited space in cities, it's time to get creative and bring nature right into our urban dwellings. Let's explore how you can create your own green oasis in the concrete jungle. Before we get started, let's talk about the benefits of urban gardening. First and foremost, it helps improve air quality, reduces pollution, and brings a sense of calmness to the bustling city. Plus, growing your own food means you have fresh, organic produce right at your doorstep. Now, let's dive into the fun part: choosing the right plants for your urban garden. Look for plants that thrive in small spaces, such as herbs, salad greens, and compact fruit varieties. Consider the amount of sunlight your space gets and choose plants accordingly. Limited space doesn't mean limited creativity. Explore different container options for your urban garden. You can use hanging baskets, vertical planters, repurposed containers, or even create a beautiful vertical garden on your balcony or wall. Now, let me share some essential urban gardening tips. First, ensure proper drainage for your plants by using gravel or rocks at the bottom of your containers. Second, use a good quality potting soil to provide the necessary nutrients. And don't forget to water your plants regularly. Wondering about the space? Living in a small apartment? No problem. Let's maximize those small spaces. Utilize windowsills for herbs, create a vertical garden using hanging pockets, or even go for a compact hydroponic system. There's always a way to make the most of your available space. Urban gardening isn't just about growing plants, it's about fostering a sense of community too. Get involved in local gardening clubs or join community gardens where you can learn from experienced gardeners and share your own knowledge. Together, we can make our cities greener. And that wraps up our guide to urban gardening. Whether you have a small balcony or a tiny patch of soil, anyone can embrace the joy of gardening in an urban setting. So, what are you waiting for? Get your hands dirty and start growing your own urban oasis today. Happy gardening! Thank you for watching. If you want to share your own urban gardening experiences, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.